What's up, homie? You trying to play?
Did you step real quick with me?
Alright, so as you guys seen from the last video, the check engine light had flashed, and I said it's alright because it just flashed. It wasn't staying on, so we was going right back to the house, so we decided
to check
to
the oil light.
The oil light, sorry, the oil light flashed. So that's why he picked up a oil pressure gauge, and we're gonna put that in. And it was sounding hella choppy, and he noticed it, but it wasn't like lacking on power or nothing. So we're looking around, and what does he come across?
We just noticed this. Not even connected.
Yeah, she was just out. She dry though.
But it didn't I mean, it sounded like it was misfiring, but it didn't throw a check engine. It didn't throw anything.
So there we go. Problem solved right there, probably with the idle. Damn, she don't want to go in.
It's
All right, so here is the gauge, and there's the instructions. I'm gonna go check that out. He's making sure that spark plug wire stays in.
There's a piece of another previous spark plug inside of there, and it didn't let it hook on all the way. We still sounded a little choppy though when we just started it.
Yeah, and I got the oil pressure gauge hooked up. Just gotta get it to read and check it out. There's no leaks or anything, but
Start reading.
connect the nylon tubing to pressure port adapter, whatever. Secure tubing along this route, prevent damage, sharpen, whatever. Reconnect negative. Okay, that's for the light. Just basically connect there to there. We gotta make sure there's no kinks anywhere.
Go under there one last second and check.
Yeah. Alright guys, we about to go drive around, try to get this tool a little bit perfected, because yesterday there was a lean spot that I'm trying to fix. Hopefully you guys can hear me.
I have to raise the idle then.
But remember, it said because it's cold it could drop. I can make it drop.
Let's see what it gets up to.
60, it's going 65, about 65. Nah. You're not with it, you're not with it, you're not with it. He said, nah. Bro, his dad looked up, he said, chill. What's up, homie? You trying to play? Tell him we're testing it.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Tell him we're tuning. I know. We need some space. Tell him we're tuning, so it's all good.
We need some space. Yeah, just keep on straight. I'm stuck, so am I, boy. Stock with boost in the song.
Oh, yo, that second gear grab is serious. Fuck.
I'm going to the gas station.
Alright, cool.
Do a light bulb.
Time to get some gas at Raceway!
93, boy.
It's a race gas! So, we're here at the gas station, and this guy's pumping his fuel, and it just clicks off every like literally 5 seconds. So, and it's taking him like he's filling up 2 full tanks. We're making progress. The oil pressure is reading for sure. It's right here. It's definitely reading. Not now because it's off, but it was doing its job. We got the idle a lot better. We got the air fuel running a lot better. The lean spots I wanted to take care of is taken care of. So we're looking okay. A few good pulls in so far. A lot of regular driving because wanted to fill up the map as much as I can. You're scaring this thing. Woo! Out light.
Pressure at it. We good.
Yeah, we
I'm
definitely
just trying to get some pressure back. That's all.
That's all.
I'm chasing the pressure.
Who brave? Who brave?
Let's get the GPS back.
Bro, everybody want to race in New York.
What? Where am I going? 7.
Damn, we got lost. We don't even know where the fuck we're going. We're having fun.
Whew. Freaking Hondas keep making all this noise on 22, man. You hear that?
Get 'em, boys! Okay guys, another successful trip. Shit, look at the hood. Okay. Everything seems so far so good. Plug stayed on. This exhaust is hella hot, she's popping. The oil pressure gauge actually got a kink in there. You can't see it on camera, but it pushed through. It was reading and everything. Here's your boy Andrew. How you feeling, Andrew?
I was like, what's good, yo?
It's good, yo.
I did that on purpose.
Yeah, your homie #1 cylinder stayed in.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, the gauge, I guess the kink is just keeping it lower than what it really is.
Maybe,
I
yeah.
don't think it's dropping down to that low.
Maybe because it's cold, because we did read that too.
Is there such thing as a high performance fuel pump?
Yeah, there is. But that
It's
shit,
just
like on
physical.
idle, it's like pushing 80. Yeah.
It's like a race car.
Yeah. But, yeah, I mean, not bad. She's making progress. She's definitely coming along.
We're done. He's done. I mean,
We both done.
Wait, I got you.
There we go.
Gauge is installed.
We got the boost controller, oil pressure, and air fuel right there. If we need any more gauges, you know, we'll be on it, but this is all we need for now. Everything was a go on the tune. As of today, everything's okay. So we shall continue to take care of her, and we see how she take care of us.
If anything, she might need a valve adjustment, but
Yeah, that's like expected because like it's a stock, pretty decent mileage motor, and we didn't really do anything to her, so. And that's light, so I'm not light work, but
it'll take a couple hours. But
yeah. Hey, good night, guys. Bang.